Obviously, anyone can make $1,000 with affiliate marketing if they spend months and months in front of a computer or a phone. But what if you only have 24 hours to make $1,000 and you don't have any audience on social media, you don't have a website, and you don't have the money to get started? In this video, we will go through a simple but effective affiliate marketing strategy that can be used by anyone from any part of the world, whether you're a total beginner or already have experience with affiliate marketing and earn your first money on the internet in 2022. Always remember that every business carries a risk and that there is never a 100% guarantee that you will succeed, but you can always follow the steps so that they influence in the best possible way when it comes to your chances of maximizing your earnings. You will be able to set these steps if you follow this step-by-step tutorial, and if you stay until the end of the video, we will share with you a bonus strategy on how to maximize this way of earning. So, like this video and let's get started. As for the step number 1, you want to learn what a VPN is and how it works. VPN is a virtual private network, and VPN connection provides a secure connection between you and the internet, protects you from external attacks, and hides your IP address when you browse the internet. All you need to understand is that without a VPN, your computer and your data are not protected, and anyone can see your IP address and steal your data. With the state of the pandemic and the transition of entire systems online, more and more people are using VPN. Don't worry, you won't have to buy a VPN for this strategy, but we just wanted to explain to you the importance and purpose of a VPN. Now that you understand what a VPN is and how important it is, you want to come to strongvpn.com. This VPN has a trust score on the Trustpilot of 4.7 on over 2000 reviews. As you can see, they have lists of companies that cooperate with StrongVPN, but that doesn't matter for us for this video. All you want to do is scroll to the end of the website and click the affiliates button. A new window will open and you want to fill out the form for this affiliate service. What's great is that they support PayPal as a payment method. Once you are granted access, you will receive your affiliate link. Why did we choose StrongVPN and not any other VPN company? Because these friends give up to 200% commission on every sale. Other affiliate programs offer you up to 40% affiliate commission, but people from StrongVPN up to 200%. What is the math for $1,000 per day? We literally need less than 20 sales in 24 hours to make $1,000. Why is this figure achievable? Because our target group is huge and almost everyone would like to have a private connection and protection of their data and computers. We didn't choose a fitness program or unique product, but a service that is suitable for everyone. The next step you want to take is to go to YouTube and search all the popular videos from different niche. Just choose the niche you like the most. Since it's holidays and Christmas was few days ago, in the spirit of the holidays, we chose cooking niche and we will find the top 10 dishes that we can prepare for Christmas. You will open the video, see if you like it, and if you like it, click on the share button and click on the copy URL. For the next step, you will need a page builder. We will use the Kartra for the purposes of this video. Kartra is a paid software, but don't worry, in the video comment you will have a 2 weeks free trial link. Those 2 weeks will be more than enough for you to test the method and develop a business model. When you log in into your account, you want to click on My Pages on the left and you want to create a new page by clicking on the green box on the right. A window with the templates will open and we will select the video sales page and select a specific template. In principle, it doesn't matter which template you choose, and when you do, click Select and Launch Builder. Give your page a name and select no category and no site in particular and click the Create button. We will delete the header and change the title to the title of the YouTube video we previously selected. You can play around a bit with tidying up the text, colors and the sizes to make the title look a little more engaging. We will delete all sections below as they are not relevant to the purposes of this video. Then we want to edit the style of this video placeholder. We will click on the edit pen and select YouTube as the video source. We will paste the link we just copied into the URL. Now we come to the part that we mentioned on the beginning of the video. From the panel of the left, we have the pop-up component. We will choose landing pop-up as an option and choose one of the templates. For the needs of the video, we will choose the first one. You can choose the one you want, and of course we will adjust it a little bit. As you can see, we have adjusted the pop-up to look more for the needs of the VPN company we're going to promote. Now it's time to set the button itself and the time to activate the pop-up. As for the button, we will select the option link, link to external URL, and enter the affiliate link from the Strongvpn platform that we received. The optimal time for pop-up activation is between 20 and 40 seconds when a person lands on our landing page. When you finish, scroll down and click Apply. Then in the upper right corner, click Actions, Save Progress, and then Publish Live. When the landing page is live and published, click the Get a Link button and copy the link and see what the landing page looks like in the new window tab. People who come on the landing page to watch the video will activate after 20 seconds a landing pop-up with a Strongvpn affiliate link. What we repeat is that this works for any niche. We chose cooking niche for the purposes of the video. And finally, the last step as always is traffic. One of the easiest free ways to bring traffic is Reddit. Reddit is a social network with over 1 billion users per month, and for this niche you can go to reddit/food and find millions of people who are interested in different recipes, especially now when most people are still on vacation and in the holiday spirit. You want to log into Reddit and share your landing page link in a way that will give people value, and tell them that on the following link you can find 10 super useful recipes for Christmas. Also that the food was phenomenal, and the best part of everything is that the food is prepared very quickly and easily. The most important thing is that you do not have a salesy but a friendly approach and attitude. For all those who don't want to use Reddit and Kartra, here is the bonus strategy we mentioned at the beginning of this video for all of you who stayed until the end. You can easily go to the Propeller Ads website. They will allow you to create push notifications and run push notification campaigns on all devices. These are notifications that will appear on everyone's screen, whether they are on your phone or computer, and people will be able to click on your affiliate link behind that notification. This will work absolutely perfectly for this affiliate offer we are promoting. Push notifications are much cheaper than Facebook and Google Ads, but there is a weaker side, and that is targeting. But that's why we come to the part where this service is perfect for push notifications, because everyone would like to have and use it. When we get to the Propeller Ads platform, we want to create our account completely free. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign Up button and create your account. Then you want to click the Create Campaign button. You'll set the push notification as the format, and you can assign the same campaign name as your landing page. Pricing model you want to select is CPA goal, and you can choose the budget, countries and devices on which your campaign will go. The most important thing is to enter your affiliate marketing Strongvpn link in the target URL. We will then write the title and subtitle of this notification. We can also add emojis to the title to make it look nicer. We can also go to the flat icon platform and find an icon that will be associated with VPNs like padlocks, shields or red alerts. You have the choice. When you're done, click Start Campaign button. To start a campaign, you must first place advertising funds in your account. How much you will put and how much your advertising budget will be is absolutely up to you. Our advice is as always to start with less and then increase your budget little by little. So every time someone opens your notification on the phone, for example, and takes a VPN, you will get up to 200% affiliate commission with the sale of Strongvpn. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!